applying for delivery jobs in Uber Eats Italy is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can apply for Uber Eats job in Italy. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on Google and I'm going to search for Uber Eats Italy jobs. And as you guys can see, you just have to go to this website, which is Deliver with Uber Eats by ubereats.com. You just have to go to their main website. Now here, as you guys can see, this thing is in Italian. You just simply have to, click on this English. It will, turn this into English. You just have to scroll down until you read all of these things. After reading all of these things, you just simply have to, these are all the terms and conditions that you need to read carefully. After that, you just simply have to, sign up to deliver. What it will do is it will take you to a process where you need to create an account. After creating an account, your application, it will want you to submit some sort of documentation as well. So your application should be submitted, and after that, you will easily be able to, start working as an Uber Eats delivery driver. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.